I'm about to put it, y'all put it over here, or y'all trying to put it directly in the middle.
I want it to be like
Center?
kind of on this side,
Go to
the left side.
you want this one going that way, or you might want
Yep.
the other one?
No, it's fine. Just as long as it's
Oh yeah, because hers gonna be closer to this side too, right?
Yeah. So like our picture.
Look like it's straight on your end.
Yeah.
Its feet like it's on the ground now. Going with that. There we go, Chad. Got to toast the strudel.
Yeah.
You doing 3-round line? I thought it was a microphone. I guess it tap back. All right, y'all. We about to use the 3-round liner. At 7 volts for this back outline. Let's go to the back outline first.
Ogfizzle. Thanks for joining the live. Your follow will be appreciated.
Just tightening up. Going back with this 1-round line to tighten up. Since I got it out, I'm gonna go ahead and go over the little fingers. They're real small, real small.
Zasinish. Welcome to my
Tidy up. Look at any other outline that's probably not, looks like it's all the way in there, right here.
Keep following your dreams.
Oh, no, no. I have with a little hickey on this bread. Got a little bite right there. Whatever it take, y'all. If it take for you to go back over it, tighten up with a smaller needle, that's what you gotta do. This area being a little texturized, and you know it's harder for the ink to get in this area. I make sure I go over it, because this area known for fading right at the bottom of that wrist. Making sure it's in there. Alright, y'all, I turned the machine down 6 volts when I use that 1-round liner. But I'm also shading with this 3-round liner in his eyes to make sure I get this black packed in here. Same with that mouth. The mouth definitely looks like it packed easy because it's at the bottom. At the top, like I said, it's a little more rough skin at the top of the wrist. So that's why we got to go over this black a little bit more. So it's packed in there and solid. Alright, y'all, so we're going to go in with the red first. I feel this one is more solid. We're going to come with the purple. Then we're going to come with the brown for the bread. So I could have went with the purple just to make sure it didn't stain out red, but this red going to be good though. It's a solid red. And the staining part, I don't think that even affect the final product. I just always be careful about how I tattoo in that order though. Never was nothing to show that it affect the final color and once it heals up. So we're gonna go around the edges with like a solid purple. We're gonna soften it out as we get to the inside. That's where it give it more of a jelly look, like wet jelly, not like paste that's thrown on there. There's different ways to do things, and since we ain't got an outline around the jelly, definitely gonna give it that solid on the outside of that color. Lagging on, I don't know why. It's lagging on y'all end. Let me know. That's what I'm saying. Well, this I know this was like straight from the camera, so ain't really go through the waves yet, baby. That's what it should be showing though. Alright, y'all, we got that purple down. That we gotta get on with our brown. Alright, we're gonna start with a little watered down brown. We're gonna come back with our, actual solid brown. I mix this yellow with this brown until it lighten up. But this ain't no wheat bread, some bread. That bunny bread, light brown edges.
Oh,
Oh y'all. Yeah, y'all got Hostess bread. Do we got Hostess bread down here? I don't think we got no Hostess down here. Yeah, they got the Hostess Twinkies, yeah. Definitely got those. I remember the Wonder Bread. Still got our darker brown just for those shadows. Gonna be good. White. Solid brown to go. Taking it like a G. All solid. I'm about to actually put a little black, like the brown lighten up a lot. I could have did this in the beginning and then just put this light brown on top. Just put them little shadows. Mark Bunny. Got that Hostess. Yeah. Just doing some tightening up right now. I'm going around this purple a little bit. Make sure that's tightened up. Jelly right. Still shading it too. I'm not trying to like add no hard line.
Coolin is coming together nice bro.
Appreciate it, appreciate it. The toaster strudel with a little jelly. Unless you catch you a crucial yourself for some color, but yeah, the color will add up real quick. Second one, chat. Second one. Add some test. This gonna be the peanut butter right here. Not the jelly. We got jelly out the way. All right, chat. We starting out with the run round liner this time, just so we can hit them fingers, knock them out the way. That whole arm out the way. I got that other little arm. Little stick leg, and then I'm gonna get turned over to my 3-round line after these little stick leg. About to move over to our 3-round liner. Right here with that 3-round liner. Say what? Alright, it hurt, huh? The feet. Go ahead, knock these eyes out. For sure, yeah, I do be posting on the YouTube, but I gotta post on that TikTok more for sure. I just gotta start clipping some of the talking points, putting it out there. Finishing up the mouth. We running that 6 volts on the machine with a 3-round liner. That's how we did all our black in. Small arms, done with that 1-round liner, and we about to shade in brown with the 7 curve mag. Add some of this brown on there. Peanut butter, jelly time. Peanut butter, jelly time, chat. You hurting on that peanut butter.
Curve mags for your colors, or it depends on what size the piece is.
Yeah, it definitely depends on what size the piece is. Like right now, I'm using the 7 because the 7 fits in this area. If this was way bigger, of course, I'd probably be using the 15 curve mag or something. I'll go around that outside, chat. Gotta get our rinse cup. I ain't got it here. We got to water down that brown, and then go right back in for the rest of the peanut butter. All right, so this is our water down brown. We're gonna just brush across the whole piece.
Appreciate.
This time around, chat, we're gonna go ahead with our shade first, so they have to dark up our brown. Automatically add these shadows. Take our brown and go straight over it. That little quick shortcut right there. We go with the brown. Went with a little darker brown onto those shadows. Now we about to go with our light brown. We go, chat. Lighter brown. All right, chat. Then go to the red.
Oh.
Still with 6 volt. Knocking it red.
How we that phone? That made it worse.
All done, chat. All done. Red from the. Who we got? Who we got? We did it. You ain't blow it like you.
Gotta do our do it. That's what you. I want. Oh, yeah. I want timer to all the green. When it's pretty eyes. Is it? Oh, okay. I bet. How cute. How bigger? I didn't. You like know that's what I'm talking about? Yeah. I'm about to do it. How you doing? I'm about to